Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Yearn Finance easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, visit the Yearn Finance website. Make sure you are connected to a secure internet connection. Locate the Launch App button on the homepage and click it. You will be redirected to the Yearn Finance dashboard. In the top right corner, look for the wallet icon. Click on the wallet icon to connect your crypto wallet. Select your preferred wallet option from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet to the Yearn platform. Once your wallet is connected, navigate to the Earn tab. Here, you will see various yield farming options. Choose the investment strategy that suits your goals. Click on the strategy to view its details and potential returns. Review the risk factors and annual yield information carefully. If you're satisfied with your choice, click the Deposit button. Enter the amount you wish to invest in the specified field. Confirm the transaction details, including gas fees. Authorize the transaction in your connected wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed, your deposit will appear in your Yearn dashboard. Monitor your investment performance through the dashboard analytics. For any additional queries, consult the Yearn Finance documentation. You can also join their community for further support and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.